In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your TikTok shop to Shopify quickly and easily. This integration helps you sync products, manage orders, and sell directly through TikTok. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, click Settings in the bottom left corner. Next, select Apps and Sales Channels, then click Shopify App Store. In the App Store search bar, type TikTok and open the official TikTok app. Now click Install and follow the prompts to add the TikTok app to your Shopify store. After installation, Shopify may ask you to log into your TikTok account. Enter your TikTok shop credentials and continue. Next, review and approve the permissions required for the integration. These permissions allow TikTok and Shopify to sync products, orders, and marketing data properly. Once connected, click Setup Now to begin configuring your TikTok shop settings. You'll then be prompted to connect your TikTok shop account directly to Shopify. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and complete any required business or store information. After filling everything out, click Finish Setup. Your TikTok shop will now be linked to your Shopify store, allowing you to manage products and sales more efficiently across both platforms. And that's it. You've successfully connected TikTok shop to Shopify. Thanks for watching and happy selling.